Hi everyone and welcome back to today's morning report on Monday the 30th of November with me, Rich Perry, market analyst at Hantec Markets. Moving on to the euro, and pretty much the same thing as I've been saying for the past few days. Euro remains under pressure to the downside. Big downtrend I've drawn in here. Momentum indicators all bearishly configured. Continues to find lower highs and lower lows, putting pressure today. 105.65 was last week's low. Just testing it, arguably breaching it, but only on a very slight intraday basis, 105.62, so a couple of pips to the downside. But it certainly looks as though it's going to break down, doesn't it? I mean, on that chart. And then subsequently coming back for what will be a retest of these lows. Initially, obviously, 520, but 460, 456 is those key March lows, so they look like they're going to be tested in due course. There's nothing really to suggest that anything else other than that, and I think what we're going to see throughout this week is continued euro weakness. You may well get the odd bit of intraday rally on the euro, as you have done the last few days. Really, you see these sort of minor rallies. Okay, a couple of weeks back you got 615 up towards 760, so 150 pips. Again, then selling pressure coming through. Then you saw 590 to 690, so 100 pips. And so maybe you'll get a 100 pip rally. That's possible, but I'd be selling into it really. I think in front of this ECB meeting, I think you're going to still continue to get weakness on this euro. The problem, the risk would be throughout this week would be whether you'd get a short squeeze on the euro in the wake of the meeting if, say, for example, Draghi under-delivered. But certainly in front of that meeting, I think the euro is going to remain weak. There's nothing really to come out that I think is going to drastically improve the euro. As I said, you might get a little mini rally. You've got this resistance initially at 640, which is a couple of highs from last week, Wednesday and Friday. But certainly, I think the pressure remains to the downside, doesn't it? And any little pop to the upside should be a chance to sell. Bearish configuration across the board on the momentum indicators, and further downside, I think, will be seen. So, in front of that ECB meeting, certainly, I think strategy is selling into strength. So, I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.